Welcome to UltraLights. My name is Ryan and I'm one of the engineers at UltraLights, and today we're going to take you guys on a quick tour of our fabrication facility in Tucson, Arizona. Next, we're going to move on and show you guys our metal fabrication area. The majority of our fixtures begin as flat sheet metal parts, and once a light is designed, CAD files are sent from our engineering department out to our CNC fiber laser. Sheet metal in various thicknesses is loaded onto the fiber laser machine bed. This machine has two exchanging machine beds. This allows us to send a new sheet of metal into the machine for cutting. Meanwhile, the cut parts are sent out the back of the machine and can be unloaded. Parts are then separated and organized by their different model numbers and staged for fabrication.